Warehouse efficiency is the backbone of smooth logistics. Whether you're handling inventory, fulfilling orders, or managing returns, improving your warehouse processes can lead to faster operations, fewer errors, and higher customer satisfaction. But what are the key strategies to optimize warehouse efficiency? In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and introduce a powerful software that can completely transform your operations. First, let's talk about layout. An organized warehouse layout is essential for speed and accuracy. Arrange frequently picked items in easily accessible locations and group similar products together. Streamlining the flow of goods can save your team time and reduce errors. Next, implement systematic processes for all your warehouse tasks. This includes defined protocols for receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Clear guidelines help employees work more efficiently and reduce mistakes. But even with the best layout and processes, nothing boosts efficiency quite like the right technology. This is where barcode scanners, mobile devices, and inventory management software come in. Speaking of technology, have you considered using Cleverence? It's a cutting-edge software designed for data collection terminals with built-in barcode scanners. Cleverence streamlines your inventory management, allowing your team to complete routine operations like receiving, shipping, and stock taking up to 5 times faster. Cleverence is more than just scanning. It integrates seamlessly with popular ERP systems, helping you automate data entry and minimize human errors. Plus, it supports both online and offline operation, so your warehouse team can keep working without interruption. Ready to take your warehouse efficiency to the next level? Check out Cleverence today and see how it can transform your operations. The link is in the description below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest challenge you face in improving your warehouse efficiency?